Hey everyone, welcome to Tarot Destination and welcome to this weekly guidance. First of all, who are all celebrating their birthday during this coming week? Wish you a very happy birthday to them. Celebrate your birthday nicely with your family people and just enjoy the year. Now I shall be starting weekly guidance. There is 3 cards, card 1, 2, 3. Whatever you are drawn to, select one card or you can select more than one card also. And let's start the reading. If you have selected card 1 is life purpose. So what I feel, somewhere you are confused in your life purpose, something you wanted to do and you are not having the clarity, or something you are trying to manifest in your life which you are unable to decide. So this is the strongest feeling I am getting. Someone is trying to manifest and you are not having the clarity what to manifest. Why? Because you don't know for what reason you came into this life and what actually you want from your life. So this your manifestation process seems to be a bit difficult for me, but it is not going to difficult. What you have to do, you have to decide your life purpose, and for that what you need clarity. How you can have the clarity? Like here, can you see the person is writing something? So you take a notebook and start writing what are the things you are expecting in your life and what kind of life you want, and see what are the things you can easily manifest and start with the easiest one. Because why I feel you start with the smaller thing, because here I feel these are the angels and these are the baby angels. So start with the smaller things so that your manifestation will be successful. Once your energies will be aligned, you can manifest your bigger desires also, your bigger dreams also. People who are confused, if they don't know what they want in your life or something is stuck, they are unable to uh, get through this situation, please seek help. People are there, some elder person here, can you see the person is elder? Some elder person may come forward and they are going to help you. So somewhere I feel the people who have selected the card 1, I feel somewhere the things are not clear, those people are not having the clarity. So coming week you may feel such kind of energy, but you can come out from that negative energy. Why? Because around you many good people are there. When you look at the color of the card, yellow is there, blue is there, and lot of positivity is there in that card. Now you are confused, but once you'll connect with your spirit guides and angels, once you'll connect with the good people whom you know, they are going to help you. Or if you'll connect with your notebook and pen, you will start writing your things, you will have the more clarity. So I think this is going to help. Please add the gratitude in your lifestyle, in a routine. Start writing gratitude for the next 7 days. Let's see what miracle is going to happen. Do practice gratitude writing in the night and it is going to help you. So I hope reading has resonates with you. So if you have selected card 2 is creative project. Here the card is indicating clearly, please follow your passion, please follow your hobby. Why? Because this angel, it is trying to help you. You please practice. Through this practice only you are going to be known by the others. The divine light also, can you see here? This is also available. Only thing is like, I think you are not having focus, or I think you are not paying proper attention to your passion, your hobby. So whatever you like, you do this coming week. It is going to purify your energy, it is going to enhance your personality. So this benefit you are going to get. So if you wanted to continue, or if you are trying to do something, or if you are planning to do something since long, please do not think much, go for that. Angels are ready there. Can you see there are 2 angels, 1 and 2, and they are ready to help you. Thing is like, you have to take this step, because everything shall not be done by these people. So please call your angels, ask the people who are near to you. They are going to help you. You are going to grow in your project which is close to your heart. If you are not in a job, if you are not doing anything, for the housewives also, or the people who are at home, for them also I feel start something new, start something creative. Some progress will come in a positive way, I am very sure. If you are waiting for some result, if you are waiting for some proposal, if you are waiting for some outcome, that is going to be positive, but yes, you need to be little creative on that. And this is the card number 2. Your week is going to be great, and your week is going to be adventurous, I guess. So all the very best, people. If you have selected card 3 is energy work. So card 3, what I feel, people who have selected card 3, you need to be very, very careful on your energy part. If you are very angry, if you are short tempered, please do not utter any negative word, because you are in that energy level, the things can be manifested very fast. Or if you are trying to manifest something, please avoid the negativity completely. Only follow the positivity, only follow the love, only see the love, forgive others, and then start manifesting your desires, so that your desired outcome will come with positivity, rather it will come with a negativity. So please work on your energy. Some people may feel little down, some health issues may come for them. This is, I'm getting from the card. So take care of your health also, because when we see the energy work, definitely you have to work on your energies. So if it is down, you have to work on your energy, you have to increase your vibration. And how you can increase? You can perform the meditation, you can perform any chanting, or you can spend your time with some good people, where you are going to get a wonderful time. You are getting you can listen to some jokes, or you can just have the company of people where you can have enough laugh, so that your energies will upgrade and you are not going to get the negativity. Please avoid the chit chats, negative chattering, because that is not going to help you. Instead, those things are going to suck your energy. So please take care of your energy, please cleanse your aura, because I feel you are quite prone to suck the negativity also. So just take care of your aura, just cleanse your aura, cleanse your house, and cleanse your thoughts. So that is very necessary. Outer cleaning everyone can do, but the internal cleansing is very necessary. So the people who have selected card number 3, this is the message for you, people. Angels are there, but thing is like you also have to support in a positive way, then only angels will help. Add the orange color, I feel, or little yellow, it is going to help you. If reading has resonates, please do like and share the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and all the very best everyone for the coming week. Bye bye.